Now this is a power bank, the first video I have made it. And this is the torchlight, the recently video I have made it. Now we gonna check the power bank, does it works or not. Yeah, we can see the blinking light at the top of the phone. The charging. Yeah, it seems to be charging. Now this is the torchlight. It works perfectly. See, we can see. Now we gonna make a new invention with this board. We're gonna disable the parts of the power bank. While unplugging, we should be careful, the parts could be breaking. They are delicate too. Tightly fix with the glue. We're gonna make it hard. Yeah, it got clean. Now removing the waste, we're gonna want just a switch and a plug. These both. By combining the both, we're gonna make a new invention, the version 2.0. With this switch and the plug should be connected to the torchlight and a charging cable for the charging of the battery, the newly added thing. Come on, let's start the video. Now removing the parts of the torchlight for the connecting the other parts to it. Slowly unplugging it. Let's take the switch which we have taken from the power bank. We should measure it perfectly and cut it and fix it with the glue. Yeah, I have cut it. Let's check whether it fixes or not. Ah, it got fixed very perfectly. Let's keep the another switch. It seems to be insufficient. Yeah, it got fixed. The perfect cutting. No extra space. Something else. Yeah, it got perfect. Good looking too. Now let's take the charging pin and fix it at the bottom. We fix it with the glue. It got fixed very strong and perfect at the bottom. Now let's keep the mobile charger plug at the top of the LED. There we can fix it. Now I got fixed it. Now fixing the part by part. Now we're gonna connect the circuit. You can see the circuit got connected. We have connected it. You can see the circuit diagram. I will show you. We all fixed all the parts perfectly. Now see the power circuit diagram. First a power bank to a torchlight. Then we got the new invention, the version 2.0. This is the circuit, the LED, and 3.7 volts batteries, a switch, another switch, and a plug for the mobile. Let's close it carefully by inserting the wires inside. While inserting, be careful. The wires can be cutted, plugged out. We closed it. Seems to be cool. The lights glows. Let's check the power bank. See, the light glows and the charging pin shows the charging slot. Okay, it got off. If you like this video, subscribe my channel.